First, open the search menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control (UAC), click Yes. Next, run the System File Checker scan by copying the command from the video description, pasting it into Command Prompt, and pressing Enter. This scan may take some time, so please be patient. Once it's complete, run the DISM command by copying from the description, pasting it into Command Prompt, and pressing Enter. Let this process run, and when finished, close Command Prompt and restart your computer. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality, tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.